Welcome to the short video which goes over the liquid class editor in Flow. Liquid classes are an advanced set of parameters that play a part in how liquid is handled, and this is especially handy when working with liquids that might have atypical properties such as viscosity, frothiness, density, etc. Now there are a few ways to access the liquid class editor. Firstly, you can use the global settings menu, scroll down and click open liquid class editor. You can also click this settings button next to the liquid class dropdown in interactive mode, and the same button when configuring a transfer. So if we head over to the liquid class editor, we can see that our default built-in liquid is water. These default settings are based on Vion Scientific's calibration metrics and work the best for water, making them a good baseline for other liquid configurations. That said, we can add a new liquid or clone an existing one. For now, I'll clone the water class. And we can see that the new liquid has four options: default, copy, delete, and export. Default makes it so that every future transfer will have this set as the default liquid class. The clone or copy button duplicates the liquid class. The delete button deletes the liquid class. And the export button exports the liquid class so that you can import it into another version of Flow, or give it to somebody else to import into their version of Flow. We can then edit properties in a number of categories. And if you get stuck on any of these or don't know what any of them mean, you can click these question marks and you'll be presented with a brief overview of what they do. So with our new liquid class set up, if we head over to a transfer, we can see that when configuring it, our new liquid class is the default. And if you want to make any changes, we can use the settings button. These properties will now be used within the transfer. And that's about it for the liquid class editor. Thank you for watching, and if you do have any questions, please check out the linked article, or feel free to get in touch with any of us at Vion Scientific.